Is it possible to look tacky and classy at the same time? I'm trying to give you 85 Dynasty Dominique Devereaux tees. I was trying to keep the collar up, baby. I don't sleep in my clothes, nor do I sleep with them. Yes, if you don't know, sis, Google it. So here we are, ladies, and I am tacky-tastic. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. Big thank you to Beauty Forever for sending out this unit. Before we get into this video, do consider subscribing to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, ring the bell for all post notifications, and of course, drop your girl a comment down below, baby. So now, let's stop the small talk, sis. Get into this unit. Bye. Beauty Forever.
Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see. I know you're a star. When you go far, know that I have fun. You are the best part. Sunlight, those brown eyes, the one that is right. Wake up, make love, it makes me feel so high. You're my love, get desperate. You're the kind that I make me different. You're the sunshine on my life. I just want to see how beautiful you are. You know that I see me. I know you're a star. When you go far, no matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part.
I played this over in my head, and the way it was going in my head, it was giving what it needed to give. Then the scissors got involved, and the scissors didn't give what they needed to give. And by the time I realized it wasn't giving, I was 2 snips too deep. Yeah. So let's talk about this unit, baby, by Beauty Forever. A couple of specs on it. This is their 13x4 frontal. Now I do have this in the Bayalage style. The color is FB30. This is a body wave unit. They did send me 16 inches, and this is 150% density. So baby, hello, Beauty Forever. So I have worked with them like way back when, in the beginning of this channel. So it's a pleasure to see this company again. Now straight out of the pack, baby, guess what they did? They pre-plucked this unit for you, baby. They also kept the knots really small in the front. However, they were a little big in the back. But guess what, baby? We are still serving scalpation in this slayery. I did not bleach the knots on this unit, baby. And look, she's shining, baby. Oh, she's shining. Unfortunately, I don't have any footage of what the frontal looks like before I cut it. Long story. Y'all don't want to hear it. So I did go in and apply a little bit of powder along the hairline. I used the shade 440 by Fenty. And baby, this lace right here, sis. This lace right here, sis. Oh, she melts. Yes, this has to be actually one of the thinnest, most easiest frontals I have dealt with in a long time. And guess what, baby? Oh yeah, she talking, baby. You see her talking back? Yeah, she got a big mouth, boo. Swoops like your girl did, and keep it 100% glueless. Absolutely love the hairline and the parting space. Cap is a great fit. The ear tabs pretty much fall into place. And baby, they were not stingy, baby. They gave you a full full hairline, sis. So yes, I think personally I would have plucked a little bit more out of the hairline just for my personal preference, but I think it looks bomb straight out of the pack. And baby, very minimal humpage up top. This comes in a middle part, which I definitely appreciate. So she is laying, baby. Oh yes, she is flat. It did come all in one length, almost like a lob. It was a little too heavy for my liking. Your girl got to snipping, and by the time I realized I did one snips too many, I was like 10 snips deep, okay? So unfortunately it is a little lopsided, as you can see. My layers did not come out the way I wanted it to, so I have managed to, you know, just kind of finesse it, finagle, make it do what she gonna do. Hello. I did have a video planned in mind for this, and yeah, I recorded and my mic was broken, so no sound. Joy. So definitely be on the lookout. We will definitely do that again, so you know what you can do. Ring them post notifications, baby. Stay tuned. Yeah, so you know, I figure I can't get better. I can't finesse these units. I can't cut them. I can't master cutting them if I don't try. So I did try. Please don't come for me in the comments, okay? I know it's lopsided, sis. I know what it looks like. I think the hair is still good, okay? Bam. Oh, this is 150% density, and I'll admit, Beauty Forever, you could have gave us some bread and water, okay? Put some butter on it. You know, I definitely think she a little hungry, okay? She a little hungry. She not hungry, she hungry. So I definitely would have preferred, you know, just a little bit more density up here, you know, but it is giving you like a normal density. So, you know, cute little everyday type of style. And like I mentioned, I do apologize. The footage is gone, baby. It's gone, boo. Only thing about this unit, it really didn't hold too much of a curl for me, you know, but I think we are finessing and finagling, baby, okay? I'm just really trying to straighten this out, because I know somebody gonna come for me in the comments and be like, girl, you jacked her all the way up. But we still gonna make it do what it do. So if you are interested, check it out, the information for Beauty Forever. I will have a direct link to their store in the description box down below. Big thank you to them for sending out the unit, definitely appreciate it. But most importantly, big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Thank you so much, ladies, for all the support. If you are new, do consider subscribing to the channel. Ring the bell for all post notifications, and of course, drop your girl a comment down below. No YouTube shoutouts, because guess what? My battery is flashing red, baby. So with that being said, take care of yourselves, keep wearing it with confidence, ladies, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.